Welcome to the Rainmaker's Edge Perspective, your best destination podcast for the cutting-edge methods and strategies to take your business to the next level, using the latest marketing technology. Brought to you by Rainmaker Reputation AI. We understand business owners like you and how marketing technology creates momentum for your bottom line. In each episode, we cover how AI-driven solutions can quickly put innovation to free you from day-to-day burdens that slow you down. Join us as we share actionable tips, cutting-edge innovation, and business growth that creates the respect and admiration in your market. Your reputation is everything in the digital world. It drives growth and prosperity for those who cultivate it well, and we are here to help you do that. So let's enhance your productivity, remove manual processes, and gain the competitive Rainmaker's edge in your market. Tune in, stay ahead of the curve with us.
Welcome to the Rainmaker's Edge Perspective. We're going to do a deep dive today into the history of AI.
Awesome. I know the hot topic.
It is a very hot topic. We are looking at this fascinating article. It's from HistoWiki.
Okay.
And it's called Timeline History of Artificial Intelligence Milestones.
Wow.
So it's going to be like riding a time machine.
Yeah.
Back to the roots of AI, you know?
Yeah, definitely. And I think, seeing how far AI has come can really give us a good perspective on where it might be headed.
Oh, for sure. And, and for businesses looking to harness the power of AI.
Absolutely.
This is going to be really valuable.
Being able to kind of predict the future a little bit, right?
Exactly.
Like based on the past.
Having these insights from the past, I think there's some really fascinating nuggets of information in this timeline that we're going to unearth today. Everything from early theoretical foundations to, surprising consumer products that were actually early forms of AI.
I'm intrigued.
So let's rewind all the way back to 1763.
Okay.
Thomas Bayes, he was an English mathematician, publishes his theorem about probability.
Okay.
Now, you might be thinking, what does math have to do with AI? But trust me, this is where it all begins.
Okay. Yeah, I'm curious how that ties in.
Yeah, so his work, it might seem abstract, but it's really the foundation for how machines learn from data.
Okay.
His theorem provides a way to update probabilities as new information becomes available.
Interesting.
Yeah, so you can kind of think of it like the engine behind algorithms that analyze patterns and make predictions.
Makes sense.
Which is the core of machine learning.
Think of the basis, right? The foundation upon which everything else is built.
Exactly. It's pretty amazing how these fundamental mathematical principles have had such a ripple effect, leading to the AI we know today.
Definitely. It really highlights how seemingly unrelated discoveries can lead to groundbreaking innovations.
Absolutely. Then we jump ahead to the 1940s.
Okay.
And we meet the legendary Alan Turing.
Of course.
He's known for cracking the Enigma code during World War II. Yeah. But his contributions to AI are equally significant.
Yeah, for sure. So in 1950, Turing proposed a test, now famously known as the Turing test, to determine if a machine can exhibit intelligent behavior that's indistinguishable from a human.
It's a concept that continues to challenge our understanding of intelligence itself.
Yeah, it really makes you think, what does it mean for a machine to be intelligent?
Right.
Can we even measure that?
Yeah.
Like, how do we even define it?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Those are questions that researchers are still grappling with today.
For sure.
And it's a testament to Turing's vision.
Yeah.
That his ideas are still so relevant in the age of advanced AI.
It's amazing how ahead of his time he was to think of these concepts back then when the technology was so limited.
And then we arrive at a pivotal moment, the Dartmouth Conference in 1956.
Okay.
This is where AI officially gets its name. Thanks to a group of brilliant minds who gathered to explore the potential of thinking machines.
Oh, wow. That's a cool fact. I didn't know that.
It really was.
Yeah.
It was like the birth of AI.
Oh, yeah.
As we know it.
The Dartmouth Conference was a true watershed moment.
Yeah.
It brought together pioneers like John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, Claude Shannon, and Nathaniel Rochester. Their collaboration laid the groundwork for AI as a field of study.
Wow.
And it's a great example of how scientific progress often comes from shared knowledge and collaboration.
I love that idea.
Yeah.
Great minds coming together can ignite a revolution.
Exactly. It's like the power of collective intelligence.
Yeah. It makes you wonder what kind of breakthroughs are happening right now.
Yeah.
In labs and research centers all over the world.
Oh, I'm sure there are some amazing things in the works.
Yeah.
Speaking of exciting developments, let's talk about ELIZA.
Oh,
The psychotherapist program,
right,
created in 1964.
It's incredible to think that people were pouring their hearts out
I
to this
know.
early chatbot.
It just shows how AI was already starting to explore those complex interactions between humans and computers,
Yeah,
even back then with limited technology.
that's right.
Yeah.
And, Eliza was groundbreaking because it demonstrated the potential for AI
Yeah.
to engage in these human-like conversations.
Right.
And even though it was based on relatively simple rules,
Yeah.
it was able to create the illusion of understanding and empathy,
Interesting.
which was captivating for users.
It's like it tricked people into thinking it was more intelligent
Right.
than it actually was.
It almost seems like Eliza was a precursor
Oh,
to the
yeah.
virtual assistants
Definitely.
and chatbots that we have today.
Absolutely. It paved the way for that conversational AI that's now everywhere.
Everywhere. And speaking of bringing AI to life,
Okay.
the late 1960s and early 1970s saw the emergence of some remarkable robots.
Oh, wow.
We had Shaky the robot in 1969, the first robot capable of reasoning about its actions.
Okay.
And then Wabbo 1 in 1972, the first full-scale humanoid robot.
That's amazing.
I know.
So we're really starting to see AI take physical form.
That's right.
Yeah.
So these robots were monumental achievements because they marked the transition of AI from theory into the physical world.
Right. It's not just an idea anymore. It's something tangible.
That's right.
Yeah.
And building robots that can perceive,
Yeah.
navigate, and interact with their environment is incredibly complex.
It is.
And these early successes were crucial
Totally.
in pushing the field forward.
They really laid the groundwork for the robotics we see today.
It is fascinating to think that we went from abstract mathematical concepts to robots walking around in just a few decades.
And the pace of innovation just keeps accelerating.
It really does.
Yeah.
It's pretty amazing.
It is. So where do we go from here?
Well, let's move into the 1980s.
Okay.
And talk about the rise of expert systems.
I'm ready. Let's do it. So the 1980s brought a shift towards more practical applications of AI, especially in the business world.
Oh, yeah.
Expert systems emerged as a powerful tool for problem solving.
You're right. And companies like Digital Equipment Corporation really embraced expert systems.
They did.
They used them to configure complex computer systems.
Wow.
Which was a task that previously required a lot of human expertise.
Right.
So it saved them time.
Of course.
And resources, proving that AI could deliver real business value.
Yeah. Expert systems were a significant step forward. They showed that AI could be more than just an academic pursuit.
Right.
It could actually optimize real-world processes and make businesses more efficient.
And meanwhile, on the other side of the world, Japan was launching its ambitious fifth-generation computer systems project.
Oh, wow.
It was a national effort to develop a new type of computer based on AI principles.
So they were really going all in on AI.
They were.
Yeah.
It really shows how the race to advance AI was becoming a global competition.
It's fascinating how different countries were approaching AI research and development.
For sure. So the fifth-generation project was a bold vision.
It was.
And while it didn't achieve all of its goals,
Right.
it spurred significant research and development
Okay.
in areas like logic programming and parallel processing, which ultimately contributed to the advancement of AI technologies.
So even though they didn't meet all their objectives, it still pushed the field forward.
Absolutely.
That's good.
And then came the 1990s, a decade where AI really captured the public imagination.
It did.
Who could forget the epic showdown between Deep Blue, IBM's chess-playing computer, and Garry Kasparov, the reigning world chess champion?
You know what a match that was.
It was. Everybody was watching.
So Deep Blue's victory in 1997 was a watershed moment.
Yeah, fair.
It demonstrated the raw computational power of AI.
Yeah.
And its ability to outmaneuver even the most brilliant human minds in a complex game like chess. It really showed that AI could compete with humans at the highest levels.
And it was a real turning point.
I agree.
In how people viewed AI.
Yeah.
Suddenly, it wasn't just a futuristic concept.
Right.
It was a reality that could outperform humans in a domain that was considered the pinnacle of human intellect.
Totally. It changed everything.
It did. While Deep Blue was making headlines for its strategic prowess, another form of AI was entering homes in a much more playful way.
Oh, really?
Remember the Furby craze?
Oh, yeah, those furry little creatures.
Those adorable, fuzzy creatures.
Yeah.
With their own quirky personalities.
They were so popular.
They were. They were actually powered by simple AI algorithms.
Wow, I didn't know that.
I know.
I just thought they were cute toys.
Right.
That's so cool.
So it's amazing to think that Furby, a toy that brought joy to millions of children,
It did.
was actually an early example of AI interacting with us on a personal level.
That's a great point. It really was a glimpse into the future, where AI would become more and more integrated into our daily lives.
And Furby was a clever way to introduce AI concepts
It was.
to a wider audience.
Definitely.
It showed that AI could be fun,
Yeah.
engaging, and even emotionally appealing.
For sure. And it helped to demystify AI
Right.
and pave the way for its acceptance in consumer products.
As we entered the 2000s,
Okay.
AI continued to evolve at an astonishing pace.
As always.
Sony released AIBO, the robotic dog, in 2000.
Oh, yeah. AIBO.
And it wasn't just a toy.
Right.
It was an experiment in artificial companionship,
Interesting.
capable of learning and developing its own unique personality.
So it wasn't just pre-programmed.
Right.
It could actually learn and adapt.
That's right. AIBO was fascinating because it explored the emotional connection
Yeah.
between humans and machines.
It really pushed the boundaries
That's what AI could do.
and it demonstrated the potential for AI to provide companionship
Yeah,
and even therapeutic benefits.
that's fascinating, particularly for people who might not be able to care for a real pet.
It's like a whole new level of interaction between humans and AI.
And in 2005,
Okay.
we saw another major milestone in the field of robotics.
What was that?
Stanford's self-driving car
Oh, wow.
won the DARPA Grand Challenge,
I remember that.
a grueling off-road race for autonomous vehicles.
Yeah, it was a big deal.
It was. So that victory was a pivotal moment
Yes,
for autonomous driving.
for sure.
It proved that AI could handle complex, real-world navigation challenges,
Right.
bringing us one step closer to a future where self-driving cars become a reality.
It's amazing how quickly that technology advanced.
It is incredible to think that just a few years after AIBO,
Yeah.
AI was navigating complex terrains
Yeah.
and making decisions in real time.
The progress was astounding.
And this progress was fueled in part by a breakthrough in 2006. Geoffrey Hinton,
Oh, the godfather of deep learning.
often called the godfather of deep learning, and his colleagues introduced deep neural networks.
Right, and that really revolutionized the field.
It did. This architecture, inspired by the human brain, revolutionized AI,
Yeah.
particularly in areas like image recognition and natural language processing.
Deep neural networks were a game changer. They enabled AI systems to learn from massive amounts of data,
Right.
leading to significant improvements in accuracy
Right, yeah.
and performance.
Suddenly, tasks that were once considered impossible for machines,
Yeah.
like recognizing objects in images or translating languages, became achievable.
Yeah, it opened up a whole new world of possibilities for AI.
The impact of deep learning was profound.
It was.
It paved the way for the AI boom we're experiencing today,
Absolutely.
with applications ranging from personalized recommendations to medical diagnoses.
It's hard to imagine AI today without deep learning.
It is.
Yeah.
So the 2010s were a decade of remarkable achievements for AI.
They were.
In 2011, IBM Watson,
Oh, yeah.
a supercomputer capable of understanding natural language,
Okay.
competed on the game show Jeopardy
Oh.
and defeated 2 former champions.
That was incredible.
It was Watson's victory was a stunning display of AI's ability to process information,
Yeah.
understand complex questions,
Right.
and provide accurate answers in real time.
Yeah, it really showed the potential of AI to assist humans in those knowledge-intensive tasks.
It was like watching AI, I think, on its feet, analyzing vast amounts of data in seconds.
It sparked a lot of excitement about the possibilities of AI in fields like healthcare, finance, and research.
And then in 2012,
Okay.
Google made a seemingly simple announcement
Oh, really?
that actually represented a major leap forward in deep learning.
What was that?
Their AI had learned to recognize cats in YouTube videos.
Cats.
Yes,
It's interesting.
it might sound trivial,
Yeah.
but this was a breakthrough in image recognition.
Oh, okay.
It demonstrated the power of deep learning to identify complex patterns in visual data.
So it's not just about recognizing a cat.
Right.
It's about the underlying technology
That's right.
that made it possible.
And recognizing a cat in a video
Right.
isn't as easy as it sounds.
Yeah, I guess there's a lot of variation in how cats look and move.
Right. requires the AI to distinguish between a cat and other furry creatures, understand the context of the video, and filter out irrelevant information.
Yeah, that's complex.
It was a testament to the growing sophistication of deep learning algorithms.
It really was a significant step forward in image recognition.
That same year, 2012, brought us another innovation that would change the way we interact with technology.
What's that?
Alexa, Amazon's voice-activated virtual assistant, made its debut.
Alexa.
And Alexa's introduction marked the beginning of the conversational AI era.
It did.
Suddenly, AI was in our homes.
Right.
Ready to answer questions, play music, and control our smart devices, all through natural language commands.
Yeah, it was a game changer for human-computer interaction.
And in 2014, a chatbot named Eugene Guzman made headlines for allegedly passing the Turing test.
Oh, wow.
While it was a controversial claim.
I bet.
It sparked important discussions
about the evolving nature of AI and whether it could truly exhibit human-like intelligence.
That's right.
So it really challenged our definition of intelligence.
It did.
Yeah.
The Eugene Guzman event highlighted the ongoing debate about what constitutes intelligence and whether the Turing test was still a valid measure.
Good point.
It raised questions about the potential for AI to deceive or manipulate humans, as well as the ethical considerations surrounding AI development.
It's a reminder that as AI becomes more sophisticated, we need to be mindful of its potential impact on society.
That's right.
And make sure its development aligns with our values.
2 years later, in 2016, DeepMind's AlphaGo made history by defeating Lee Sedol.
Oh, wow.
A world champion Go player. And Go is an ancient board game known for its complexity.
Strategic depth.
Even more so than chess.
Wow. So AlphaGo's victory was a landmark achievement. It was. For AI.
Yeah.
It demonstrated the power of reinforcement learning. A technique where AI learns through trial and error, constantly improving its performance.
So it's like learning by doing.
Yeah.
Essentially.
It was a sign that AI could tackle problems involving intuition, creativity, and strategic thinking skills that were once thought to be exclusive to humans.
It's really pushing the boundaries of what we thought AI could do.
AlphaGo's triumph opened up a whole new realm of possibilities for AI in areas requiring complex decision-making.
So it's not just about playing games anymore. It's about applying these skills to real-world problems.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's exciting.
And as we moved into the 2020s, the pace of AI innovation only accelerated.
It seems like it's always accelerating.
It really does.
Yeah.
In 2020, OpenAI released GPT-3, a language model capable of generating human-quality text.
Oh, wow.
In response to a wide range of prompts.
So it can write like a human.
GPT-3 was a revelation. It could write stories, poems, codes, scripts, and even engaging conversations that were eerily human-like.
That's amazing.
It was a giant leap forward in natural language processing.
GPT-3 showcased the potential of AI for creative tasks. It could generate different creative text formats, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way, even if they are open-ended, challenging, or strange.
It felt like AI had suddenly unlocked a new level of creativity and fluency in language.
Yeah.
It was both exciting and a little bit unsettling.
To see a machine produce such human-like text.
That's right.
It really blurred the lines between human and machine creativity.
And the advancements didn't stop there. In 2022, we saw the emergence of several innovative AI tools.
Oh, cool.
That further integrated AI into our daily lives. Perplexity AI.
Perplexity AI,
for example, is like having an AI-powered research assistant.
Wow.
Built right into your web browser.
That sounds useful.
It is.
Yeah.
Perplexity AI is a great example of how AI is becoming more accessible and user-friendly.
It's not just for experts anymore. For everyone.
It uses natural language processing to understand your questions. And then searches a vast database of information to provide relevant answers and insights.
So it's like having a super smart librarian at your fingertips, always ready to help you find what you need.
And speaking of creative tools, Midjourney burst onto the scene in 2022, allowing people to create stunning works of art using just text prompts.
That's amazing.
The rise of AI art generation platforms like Midjourney was remarkable.
It was.
It demonstrated the creative potential of AI and blurred the lines between human and machine artistry.
It really made you question what it means to be creative.
It did, and it was a fascinating exploration of how AI could be used as a tool for artistic expression.
So it's not just about creating realistic images. It's about using AI to explore new forms of art.
Midjourney made it possible for anyone to create breathtaking visuals.
Wow.
Even without any artistic skills.
That's incredible.
It was a testament to the democratizing power of AI. Making creativity more accessible to everyone.
That's a great point. It really empowers people to express themselves.
And then, of course, we have ChatGPT.
ChatGPT, yeah.
Which launched in late 2022.
And took the world by storm.
It did.
Yeah.
This AI-powered chatbot can engage in conversations, answer questions, write different kinds of creative content, and even generate code.
It seems like it can do it all.
And ChatGPT's ability to interact with humans in a natural and conversational way was a major breakthrough.
It felt like you were talking to a real person.
It did.
Yeah.
And its impact on various industries, from customer service to education, was immediate and profound.
It really changed the game.
ChatGPT's widespread adoption marked a significant shift in how people interacted with AI.
For sure.
It became a valuable tool for businesses, educators, and individuals alike.
Yeah, it's amazing how quickly it became part of our everyday lives.
And as we've seen, the pace of innovation continues to accelerate.
It does.
In 2023, OpenAI released GPT-4.
GPT-4.
An even more advanced version of their language model.
Wow, so they're just getting better and better.
And Google launched Notebook LM.
Notebook LM.
An AI-powered note-taking app that can summarize documents, answer questions about your notes, and even generate ideas.
It's like a supercharged note-taking app.
It is.
Yeah.
It's incredible to see how these advancements are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI.
It really is. Each iteration brings new capabilities and refinements, making AI even more powerful.
That's right.
And versatile.
These developments highlight the rapid pace of progress.
They do.
In AI.
We're witnessing a technological revolution unfold.
That's right.
Right before our eyes.
And while we're on the topic of exciting developments, I can't help but mention Rainmaker Reputation AI CRM.
Oh, yeah.
They're at the forefront of this AI revolution.
They are.
Developing tools that empower businesses to leverage the power of AI in meaningful ways.
Rainmaker Reputation AI CRM is a great example of a company that's harnessing the power of AI to transform business processes.
Right.
Their innovative solutions are helping businesses stay ahead of the curve and achieve greater success in today's competitive landscape.
Their voice AI feature, for example, is revolutionizing how businesses handle inbound calls.
Interesting.
Providing automated solutions that save time and improve customer satisfaction.
So they're using AI to make businesses more efficient and improve customer experiences.
And with the rapid pace of AI advancement, we can expect even more innovative solutions from companies like Rainmaker Reputation AI CRM.
I'm sure we will. It's an exciting time to be following AI.
It is. It's mind-blowing to think about how far we've come from those early days of probability theorems and code-breaking machines.
It is amazing to see how far AI has come in such a relatively short time.
AI has evolved from a niche field of study to a driving force that's shaping our world in profound ways.
And we're just at the beginning of this incredible journey.
We are.
The next chapter of AI history is being written right now.
Yeah, and it's up to us to shape its direction.
Absolutely.
And harness its potential for the betterment of humanity.
It's a responsibility we all share.
You know, it's really incredible to see how AI has become such an integral part of our lives.
It really is. I mean, from the apps we use to the way businesses operate, AI is everywhere.
It's transforming industries.
It is.
Creating new opportunities and fundamentally changing how we interact with the world around us.
It's truly a technological revolution in action.
And just like any revolution, understanding its power and potential is key to navigating the changes it brings.
So whether you're a business owner or just someone who's curious about the future, knowing the history of AI can give you a real advantage.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Understanding the evolution of AI allows us to see how far we've come
appreciate its current capabilities,
Yeah.
recognize its limitations, and make informed decisions about how to integrate it into our lives and businesses.
It's like having a roadmap to the future.
It is.
By understanding where AI came from,
Yeah.
we can better anticipate where it's going.
Right.
And how we can harness its power to create positive change.
And it's not just about the technology itself.
Right.
It's also about recognizing the ethical considerations that come with it.
It's a crucial point.
Yeah.
AI is a powerful tool.
And as AI becomes more sophisticated,
That's right.
we need to ensure that its development aligns with our values and that it's used responsibly.
And like any tool, it can be used for good or for ill.
Exactly.
It's up to us to guide its development and ensure that it's used to benefit humanity.
I completely agree. And I think that understanding the history of AI can help us navigate these ethical considerations more effectively.
Right.
By studying past successes and failures. We can learn from our mistakes and make more informed decisions about the future of AI.
So we can build a better future with AI.
Exactly.
And speaking of building a better future,
Yeah.
I have to give another shout out to Rainmaker Reputation AI CRM.
Oh, yeah. They're doing some great work.
They're not just keeping up with the AI revolution.
Right.
They're actively shaping it.
That's right.
Developing practical and innovative tools that help businesses thrive in the age of AI.
They're a prime example of a company that understands the transformative power of AI.
Right.
And is committed to using it responsibly and ethically.
That's right.
Their solutions are designed to empower businesses, enhance customer experiences, and create a more efficient and connected world.
It's inspiring to see companies like Rainmaker leading the way.
It is.
Showing us what's possible when AI is used for good.
It's a reminder that AI isn't just about algorithms and data.
Right.
It's about people.
It's about using technology to solve real-world problems.
Yeah.
Improve lives.
Yeah.
And create a more positive future for everyone.
I think that's a great way to put it.
I'm left with a sense of awe and excitement.
Yeah.
We've come so far in such a short time.
We have.
And the future of AI is brimming with possibilities.
It truly is a remarkable journey.
It is.
And we're only at the beginning.
The next chapter of AI history is being written right now.
And it's up to all of us to be active participants in shaping its direction.
What groundbreaking AI developments will we see in the next 5, 10, or 20 years?
That's the big question.
It's a question that sparks the imagination.
But one thing is certain.
What's that?
The journey of AI is far from over.
It's not.
And it's a journey worth taking.
I completely agree.
Yeah.
Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through the history of AI.
It's been a pleasure.
We hope you've gained some valuable insights and are as excited about the future of AI as we are.
I think we all should be.
Until next time,
yeah.
Stay curious, keep innovating,
Keep innovating.
and let's build an amazing future together with the power of AI.
I'm looking forward to it.
Thank you for tuning into this episode of the Rainmaker's Edge Perspective. We hope you gained valuable insights and feel inspired to tackle the friction in your business with smart marketing tech. Remember, leveraging tech with the right strategy can give you that edge you are seeking. Before we finish, a word from our sponsor. If you are ready to take your business to the next level, Rainmaker Reputation AI CRM offers a powerful CRM solution tailored for entrepreneurs just like you. Say goodbye to the manual drudgery and hello to the freedom to focus on what moves your bottom line. Visit Rainmaker Reputation. That's rainmakerreputation.com. Until next time, stay on the Rainmaker's Edge.